Hello guys, welcome to our channel A to Z PCO. We provide one-to-one and group training, and you can contact us through the number that is mentioned on the YouTube channel and also in this video. So we are looking into real exam questions. The one that we are going to cover now is Woodman Street to Morden Wharf Road. So once again, we need to look at our green and red point. And here we can see that we need to come down a bit slightly to get to this point. However, there might be another way of coming down. So we can because we need to plan it. So I'm not getting into the roads yet, but just by looking at it, I can come down here, maybe take this kind of a route all the way here. And then from here I try to come down here to get to this point, right? So that could be one of the routes. The other one is just to take this ferry approach and come down and get to this point. So this seems like much more quicker, right? Because this is going to take very long, right? So for your exam questions as well, the way you are assessed is that you need to take simple, straight, and a quick approach to get to your destination point. So this is why I will take this ferry approach route, because it is quite simple, straight, and much quicker than any other route that you can come up with. So this is why we'll take that. So now if we zoom in here, so once you zoom in, then you just click on the same way when we started, click on the green point to start with. Then you come out from this, right? So we need to go down from here. So don't touch the side lines like always. So keep moving, and we know that we need to go down and then towards the left side of the screen. So come down. So this is the ferry approach that we are taking, right? So you take the ferry approach, come down, get on this, come down from here. So we are approaching the roundabout, so go around from here, right, and then turn left. Don't touch any of these lines, so carry on going straight. So this from here, this is quite simple and straight, a straight route from here. So you keep on moving straight. So we'll be approaching another roundabout, and then from this roundabout again, we're gonna take the exit, the first exit from here, and then we just follow this road again. So another roundabout, and we're just gonna go straight from here as well. So there are just a couple of roundabouts here. So we'll carry on going straight. Right, so you just follow the same road where we are. Okay, so if we zoom out from here just to see where we are going, so you can see that, yeah, that looks correct. So once we are on this road, then we can kind of go up towards our destination point. So you carry on going straight from here. So we just move along this road. So carry on going here. And then from here, there is another roundabout. Now, these two lines that you see, the board lines that we have here, they are not here on the surface. They are on top of us, right? So this is why we can go around. So the main thing here is that you can see the roundabout. So we are not on that. So we are just following the roundabout, and then we are going right towards that road. So carry on going straight from here. Right, so straight. Now another thing here, you can see that this road that we have here. Don't make a mistake by going here, right? Because when we came out of that roundabout, we followed this, and then we're gonna go this way. So some can make mistake by going this way, right? So we don't need to go that way. So just keep that in mind as well for this. Okay, then you just follow this, come out, and then we're gonna get into this street here, which is the Tunnel Avenue. keep going straight from here. Straight now we are approaching towards our destination point here, so just carry on straight, turn left, and then simply always remember to click on the red point here. So if we zoom out now from here, so we can see that this is looks quite straight and is much simple and also much quicker compared to any of the other routes that you will take. So the whole point here, what they want to see is if you know how to take this ferry approach, because sometimes when you see this water here, so you might think that you can't really go through this, right? And then you always kind of take the longer route. So that's what they want to assess you as well, that if you know that you can take this approach or not, right? So just keep in mind, whenever you have this kind of situation, you can actually take this ferry approach to get to this point. Otherwise, that one you will lose marks. So keep in mind, take the ferry approach and then simply follow it to your red point. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.